Welcome to a world of exploration and identification, where two key documents often come into play: the passport and the ID card. Today, we delve into an intriguing comparison between these two essential pieces of identification. Dive right into the deep end with the first point of difference: the purpose of these documents. A passport primarily serves as a travel document. It allows globetrotters to cross international borders, acting as proof of nationality to foreign governments. On the other hand, an ID card, short for identification card, primarily serves as a local identification document. It verifies personal information such as name, date of birth, and address within a country, but doesn't facilitate international travel. Next, consider the information provided within these documents. Both a passport and an ID card contain personal details. However, the passport goes a step further. It includes a page for visas and entry-exit stamps, recording the holder's travel history. The ID card, meanwhile, sticks to the basics, providing only essential personal information. The physical differences between these two documents also stand out. A passport typically comes in a small booklet form, designed for durability and security during travel. An ID card, however, is a compact wallet-sized card designed for everyday use and convenience. Now let's turn our attention to the issuing authorities. Passports are usually issued by a national government's Department of Foreign Affairs or equivalent. ID cards, on the other hand, can be issued by various local or national authorities, depending on the country. Lastly, the validity period of these documents varies. A passport usually remains valid for a longer period, often 10 years for adults. An ID card's validity can differ widely, from a few years to a lifetime, depending on the issuing authority and the country. In summary, while both passports and ID cards serve as identification documents, they differ significantly in their purpose, the information they contain, their physical form, the issuing authority, and their validity period. A passport is your ticket to the world, a global identification document for international travel, while an ID card is a local identification tool, handy for everyday use within a country. So, whether you're planning to cross borders or verify your identity locally, understanding these differences will help you use the right document at the right time. After all, knowledge is the key to seamless experiences, be it in travel or daily life.